The RightBack team is excited to join the Microsoft Fabric Community Conference in Vienna from the 15th of September to the 18th. As sponsors, we are looking forward to join the Microsoft data community and contribute to the conversations around actionable insights and collaboration. Join us at our booth to explore RightBack for Power BI, our powerful custom visual that enables you to input data straight from the dashboard to your database, with no code required. From forecasting and budgeting to approvals and commenting, RightBack empowers teams to take action straight from their analytics platform. Designed to adapt to real use cases, it promotes agility, collaboration, and shared decision-making. Since 2020, we have been building a brand focused on innovation and value, allowing users to go beyond analytics and take real action. With more than 90 customers worldwide, covering use cases on retail, finance, healthcare, or even manufacturing, we are proud to support teams turning insights into seamless action. Here's what you can expect at our booth. Live demos where you'll see the product in action, use cases where you get to see how the industry is leveraging RightBack, but also meeting the team, and don't forget we have exclusive gifts for you. See you in Vienna.